Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will go over eFiling using the Chrome extension. This extension works for both PC and Mac computers, and is an alternative to our eFiling application, allowing you to eFile directly inside the Google Chrome browser. The first thing you should do is launch your Google Chrome web browser on your device, and go to the Chrome extensions area, where you can find and download the extension. If you search for Chrome Extension Store on Google, you will be directed to the area where you can search and download extensions. You can search using the keyword eIMMIGRATION, and it will bring up the eIMMIGRATION eFiler. Click on it and select Add to Chrome. You'll be asked to confirm, and once clicking on OK, you have now added the Chrome extension to your Google Chrome browser. Before we launch it and begin using it, let us go into eIMMIGRATION and schedule a form to be e-filed. Once inside eIMMIGRATION, go to the Cases area. Once inside the Forms area, locate the completed form you wish to e-file, and first click the Lock button to lock the form, and then click on Schedule. Depending on the form, you may be asked to confirm the data you're about to load onto the e-filer via the eFiling Miscellaneous Fields section. Proceed with confirming and entering data and clicking on Save and Schedule. The status should now show as scheduled and will now be an option to e-file. Let us now launch the eFiler extension. Click on the Extensions button, which looks like a puzzle piece icon on your Chrome browser, and then select the eIMMIGRATION eFiler. To the right, the extension will first ask you to input your website name. This information can be grabbed in the Tools section of eIMMIGRATION and selecting eFiling. It is a specific website name given to your account. Copy and paste your website name to the right and click on Login. You will then be asked to enter your eIMMIGRATION credentials. Proceed to enter those and log in. Once logged in, you will see all your scheduled forms on the right. Proceed with locating the scheduled form you wish to e-file and click on the case form ID. Your Chrome browser should redirect you to the government website where you wish to e-file. Here you will navigate to the area to e-file the form. If you are asked to log into that site or put any information such as CAPTCHAs or other to access the form, proceed with doing so. In most cases, you will be asked to read the instructions before accessing the forms, and maybe enter a security question. Proceed with doing so until reaching the form. Once you are inside the form, you will focus on the Chrome extension on the right and click the Play button. In doing so, the Chrome extension will go one by one entering the form data from eIMMIGRATION onto the government's website, helping you fill out the form. You will go page by page clicking the Play button until you complete the form. Once completed with e-filing the form, you may click the Select drop-down menu next to the form you just e-filed and click on Complete. You will be asked to enter a reference number. Once entering it and clicking Mark as Complete, the form will no longer appear on the e-filer, and the Case Forms area will now show the status is completed, as well as the date it was completed and the reference number you just entered. Should you need to e-file again, you can click here to reschedule the form to the e-filer. This concludes our video on downloading and using the eIMMIGRATION e-filing extension on Google Chrome.